Get up, determined to break free from this pattern that has only been holding your life back. Ask God to reveal, to turn your darkness into light, to illuminate your understanding, to give you awareness. Don't look anywhere else. Fix your eyes on the Lord, because in Him we are more than conquerors. In Him, being filled with Him, what flows from us is power. He shapes our lives. He fills us with power. God wants to shape your life. He wants to fill you. He hasn't given up on doing something great in your life and through you. If you fill yourself with Him, streams of living water will flow from within you. The best will flow, life, power, greatness. You'll see His glory. In Him, we are more than conquerors in everything. Believe it. Believe it, because God has a glorious life for you. All you need to do is align yourself with Him, adjust to Him, believe in the truth, and tear down those lies.